What's up dyan mga kaakibat? And we are here at Samantha Homes, Catalunan, Pequeño, Davao City. Hi! Oh, may lakad pa ako pupunta na ako. Okay, kasi meron tayong i-claim na prize mula sa inside Davao City. Meron tayong i-claim na food package mula kay BrewFresco Cafe. Hi te! And kasi nanalo tayo ng isang raffle galing sa inside Davao City, which is worth 1,000 pesos worth of food items mula kay BrewFresco. So tara, today is Thursday, so i-claim na natin ngayong gabi.
A few moments later.
Pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack it.
Alright mga kaakibat, we are here at BrewFresco Cafe dito sa Catalunan, Pequeño, Davao City. Honestly speaking, malapit lang sa amin to. Oo. Ano na, pwede ko siya lakarin pero since pagod ako, kasakay na ako ng jeep. And they have a variety of dishes dito na masyadong masarap. Pilipinong-Pilipino ang dating. Yes. And look at this spot right now. Tingnan mo. They conquer the big space dito sa BrewFresco. Dito sa BrewFresco, they have two different branches dito sa Davao City. Yung first nila is nandun sa Tulip Drive. They serve unlimited chicken at unlimited pork ribs. Iba naman dito sa Catalunan Pequeño. They serve wide ranges of dishes dito. Kagabi pa lang nag-usap na kami ng lola ko kung ano yung i-order namin. At ito yung in-order ko. Okay, dito tayo sa BrewFresco Cafe sa Catalunan Pequeño. And ito yung in-order ko. We ordered BAGNET, which is for 195 pesos. Pero ginawa ko ng dalawang order. At dito naman sa beef, since wala naman silang beef caldereta, supposed to be itong in-order namin, we changed this to beef kare-kare. Dalawang order din. And nag-additional pa ako ng sisig kawali kasi gusto ko siyang i-try kasi mahilig ako sa sisig So, hintayin na lang natin, okay? Since we're still here at BrewFresco dito sa Catalunan Pequeño, nabanggit ko yung inside Davao City kasi nagpa-promo sila ng free meals dito sa BrewFresco na na-post nila sa FB page noong October. Then of course sumali ako doon, nag-comment ako doon. Tinag ko yung mga family members ko, yung pinsan ko, yung lola ko, mama ko. Sa inside Davao City, kung ikaw yung mapalad na winner doon, they will give you 1,000 pesos worth of food dito sa BrewFresco. And fortunately, nanalo tayo. Isa tayo sa nanalo doon. So that's why this is a great opportunity na i-promote ko yung inside Davao City na page. And of course, sa BrewFresco Catalunan Pequeño branch. Yes. So mga kaakibat, nag-decide ako mag-take out dito para at least doon ko na lang siya imumukbang sa bahay. So tara, hintayin na natin yung food, okay? Pero mag-montage tayo dito sa kanilang magandang resto. So tara, let's dig in.
Montage.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights.
Hi mga kaakibat, after a few minutes wait, nandito na yung order natin. So, I'm so excited na iuwi ko to sa bahay ngayon mismo. So tara guys, uwi na tayo, okay?
A few inches later.
Alright mga kaakibat, ito na yung giveaway ni Inside Davao City at BrewFresco Catalunan Pequeño. So ito na yon. Ito yung BAGNET na in-order natin, which is dalawang order. Pinag-isa ko lang siya. And meron tayong dalawang order ng beef kare-kare. So look at the color of it. It's really nice looking kare-kare. Look at that. And of course, ito yung sisig kawali. I really love to try this one. Okay? So mga kaakibat, let's dig in! Okay mga kaakibat, thank you BrewFresco Cafe and thank you Inside Davao City for the gift. Yay! Thank you! Okay, kuha tayo ng sisig. Isa pa. Kuha tayo ng isang BAGNET. Oh, there you go. Look at that. Isa pa. Kuha tayo ng kaldere ng kare-kare. Ito lang, yung strip lang yan. Yan. Ito lang kukunin ko. Okay, yan. Then, some veggies. Ito. Okay, so ako na wala sa kanin, okay? At mga kaakibat, tara kain. Let's dig in! Okay, ito na yung sisig kawali na in-order ko. So, let's do this. Wow, really good. Kare-kare sauce. Duhang duha ang branch ani. Pequeño og tulip dried.
Yung original na dito sa Matina.
Muna ang ali chicken ug ang ribs nila dito. Okay, bagoong for our kare-kare. Another tutorial. Okay, let's try their kare-kare. So mga kaakibat, let's dig in. Okay, ito na yung BAGNETs. Ito yung BAGNET na in-order ko. So, let's try it on. Wow. Wow. Okay, another one, another bite. Para sa inyo to, mga kaakibat. Okay, let's try this Mang Tommy. Hindi to siya sponsored, ha? Okay, one small bagnet para sa akin. Tara kain. Bebe, anit, wen, bebe, ube mo, bem, osas. Grabe. Alright, wow. So far, tapos na natin to. Okay, kasi within 1 hour makaklase pa ako. So tara, let's dig in. Mga kaakibat, super messy na yung plato ko, but it's okay. Super messy which means super good.
Laban ang impromptu. Kaya kada every
Okay, they're vegetables for the kare-kare. So, let's have a big bite, mga kaakibat. Jiggling and wiggling. Our bagnet.
Isat kayo ibasa gitong Bisaya.
Okay, we still have a few more bites left. So, tara, ubusin na natin to, okay?
Sige.
Alright, one final spoonful of white mga kaakibat. So, tara, kain! Alright guys, tapos na ako. Tapos na tayo kumain. Yes. Okay, so mga kaakibat, kita tayo sa kwarto ko. Okay, for our final scene. So tara, tumahan niyo ako. Hello. Naku mga kaakibat, I'm really thankful sa nangyari this week. Kasi, nung Monday pa lang, in-announce ni Inside Davao ng mga winners ng paraffle nila at isa na tayo doon sa mga nanalo. Kaya nga, I decided to get the item or to get the food prices kanina lang. And thank you sa BrewFresco Catalunan Pequeño branch. Nako, they're super amazing, super friendly, and at the same time, very accommodating sila. Grabe. No doubt na pabalik-balik yung mga customers nila doon kasi yung location nila is along the highway, so madali lang makita doon. Nagustuhan talaga namin yung food. Nako, naubos na lang lahat yung food namin while kumakain kami. And thank you pala kay Inside Davao City. Si Inside Davao City, sila yung mga food travelers, sila yung mga vloggers na pumupunta kahit saang establishments dito sa Davao City, especially sa restaurants. At sila na mismo ang bahalang mag-promote ng kahit anong mga establishments dito sa Davao City. And sila mismo nagpa-raffle doon. Kaya nga, ang daming mga taong gustong mag-comment, mag-share, at mag-like doon sa kanilang page for a chance to win those prizes. And thank you nga pala kay Admin Angel Knight. Siya yung admin ng Inside Davao City. Sir Angel Knight, I would like to say thank you sa mga gifts na ibinigay mo sa akin, sa prize na ibinigay nyo sa akin. And I really hope na ang Inside Davao City magtatagal pa kayo ng sobra. Alright mga kaakibat, ang verdict ko sa BrewFresco Cafe is I will give them 100/10 stars. Yes! Sa mga gustong pumunta sa BrewFresco Cafe, mag-like kayo sa kanilang Facebook page. Mag-like na kayo at mag-follow for more updates sa kanilang menu and sa kanilang mga gimmicks as well. And don't forget to follow Inside Davao City. Ito yung kanilang Facebook page. Pwede kayo mag-like, mag-follow, at mag-participate na rin sa kanilang mga paraffle. And sa mga kakapanood lang ng aking vlog at sa mga bago nating kaakibat, all you need to do is like this: like, comment, and subscribe dito sa aking Robert Peter Vlogs. And don't forget to ring a bell para updated naman kayo sa aking brand new videos na ilalabas ko this year. Mga kaakibat, I would like to say thank you so much sa panonood, and don't you worry, we still have more videos to come. Just stay tuned, mag-subscribe lang kayo, okay? I would like to see you next time in my next videos. Laban ng kaakibat. Bye-bye!